Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm starting off with these stiletto full cover nail tips that I got from AliExpress, and I'm just going to take the hand file and just file the back so that once I apply these to my nails, they look a little bit more natural. And also I'm going to file around the cuticle area so that they fit my cuticles a little bit better, and I'm going to do that for all of the nails. And then I'm going to take some base coat and paint a thin layer over all my nails and cure my nail light for 30 seconds. And then once I have cured these, I'm going to be using these glitters from makartt. As y'all know, I love these glitters. I'm going to be using the yellow and orange. These glitters are so pretty. Like, I just can't stress it enough how much I love these glitters. But yeah, this is how they look up close. And I'm going to be doing a very simple nail set today. So I'm starting off by putting some base coat into the nail, and then I'm going to be adding some of these glitters. I'm adding the orange to the pinky nail, and I'm focusing this glitter more in the middle. I don't want it too close to the cuticle or at the tip, so I'm just going to focus that glitter right in the middle. And then once I get it how I want, I'm going to cure my nail light and then add another layer of base coat just so that I can seal these glitters in. And then once I have these cured, I'm going to be taking Nail Addict LA gel polishes, electric orange and electric yellow. I'm going to be matching these colors up, and I'm using the orange to go halfway up the glitter and then down to the tip. I wanted to give these nails the ombre effect, so once I've done that, I'm going to cure in the nail light, and I'm going to be putting these nails on with some base coat gel using the Apres Dupe method, and just holding my nail under the light for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's attached. And I'm just going to do that for all of my nails, and once I get all of them on, I'm going to cure for another 60 seconds just to make sure that they are fully attached. And like I said in the beginning, this is a very simple nail set. I'm going to be repeating these steps on all of the nails, so it will be super repetitive. So I just hope that you stick around until the end, and yeah, I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this process. And once I got the last nail on, these are how the nails are looking. I did all of my shaping and filing off camera. I went around the cuticle area with my hand file, and I filed the sides to make them a little bit more straighter, and this is how it looks. I'm just removing the dust, and the cuticle area looks so nice. And I'm taking the top coat. I was going to add one of these rhinestones to each of the nail, but I looked at it and I didn't really like it as much as I thought I was, so I just took that off, and I'm just going to top coat my nails and cure for 30 seconds. And of course, after they come out the light, I'm just going to add my cuticle oil and rub those in. And this is how my nails turn out. This design was very simple and so easy to achieve, and I do like these more than I thought I would. But yeah, this is how they turn out, and there's not really much to say, but I will make sure that I link everything that I used below. And I really hope that you stuck around to the end to see this part of the video. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.